Hi guys!
Hello.
It's Brooke and Mila TNT back here today. And today, what are we doing, Mila?
Bobby.
Tell them what we're doing, Mila. Mila,
What?
tell them what we're doing.
We are playing speedrun.
Yeah.
And I'm taking up the internet in my house.
With 3 things on, okay.
4 things.
Oh good. Okay, I need to go get a new face before we start. I can't.
Why?
What?
Nothing, my phone.
Do you like my face? Isn't it so cute and weird?
My internet crashed again.
Oh, this one would look good. Okay, sorry guys. Sorry about that. Nothing. No one came in there. Okay. Should I do the friendly? Here, go on Roblox and look at the friendly smile and just tell me if it's okay, or if you think it looks kind of weird. Cause I kind of think it looks weird, but it's really cheap. Oh my gosh, there's a braces one. I'm getting that one. Never mind. Anyway, this kitty one's really cute. Oh my gosh. And I'm also gonna look. I'm gonna look at other faces because I'm very self-conscious about what my face looks like. Oh my god, I love these ones so much. I love this one, the starry one. But I can't get that one. This is kind of weird. And this one's cute. Okay, you're gonna join speedrun so that everybody on this video isn't bored for the next 24 hours?
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go on speedrun.
Okay, I'm going to change my avatar. Doesn't my face look weird with the little tongue? I think it is. Because you won't answer me, so. No, guys, I got a bunch of new shirts. I got these wolf shirts. Okay, I like the braces one a lot more. Are you on it yet? Oh gosh, you failed. Everything's like Easter, like Robloxian High School is Easter, Mine Simulator's Easter, City's Easter, I build the boats Easter. I don't know where Meep City is right now, but I know it's Easter. Okay. Yeah, like Meep City's Easter. The Great Hotels is Easter. Treasure Hunt's Easter.
What the hell?
Don't say that on our channel, please. Like, everything's Easter.
Oh, is it speedrun 4?
Yeah. Are you on it yet?
Are you in a game already?
No.
Okay, then join my game.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to move the phone so you guys might not hear Mila as well, so. Yeah. You're just gonna have to speak really loudly. Why is this stuff down here? Go away. What the heck?
I flop everywhere.
What?
Join that game, I'm flopping everywhere.
Okay. I want you guys to see what Mila's doing, so we're gonna go look. Okay.
I'm stuck
Where?
at the beginning.
Oh, we're really good at speedrunning, guys, so you don't have to think that it's gonna be lame, because it's not, because we're good. We're pros at speedrun, aren't we, Mila?
I'm stuck.
Well, this is new a little bit. Okay, where are you?
Behind you.
Oh, what? What are you doing?
Stop. Oh god. If you turn like really, really fast and you press like A and D at the same time, you do that.
Okay,
Oh god.
let's go.
I'm gonna beat you.
Cause we only wait. No, I don't want to race. I hate racing. And by the way, I'm really good at this, so you're not gonna beat me.
Oh really? I'm good at this level. Not others.
Oh, why did I do that? You
Die.
don't even want to know what I just did. Oh, we get gems now for. I don't
I
know.
never died. I never died. Are you still at the beginning? I'll wait for you.
Okay. Because I just did the most stupid thing because I thought I was so cool, so I thought I didn't really have to play it the right way. Oh my gosh, if you turn too fast now, it like pushes you on the ground.
See me? I'm over here.
What the? Why did I do that?
See me all the way over here?
Maybe. Yeah, she's a lot better at than me at it, so.
Oh, I hate this level.
Oh, you went on the second level? The second level's the easiest. Why? Am I feeling so bad at the first level? I hate the first level. To be honest, I hate the first level the most out of all of them because of the turns. What the flip?
I skipped one and I died.
It's not letting me jump. Sometimes it'll just like stop letting me jump because it's mean.
Can I go back to you?
No, you can't. But I'm planning on making it to level 2 soon. Hopefully. Okay, I'm at level 2. I want them to say hi to you, so.
Wait.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh! Oh, it's just the water. Oopsies.
Oh, I do that all the time.
I jumped too fast. Wait for me at wherever you are. You're not waiting for me, I see you. Oh, I'm stuck. Can you come back? Just look at how I'm stuck. I'm stuck on the one that goes down and up.
I am not coming all the way back because I'm at the thing. What's the unique trail giver?
Oh, you get trails.
What's trails?
Like when you walk, something comes above your feet.
Wait, can you do that on the levels?
Yep.
Should I do it?
Oh no, I died.
Should I do that so I can get all the levels done easily?
Not really. Not how it works.
Oh, wait, why?
Oops, I just killed myself.
Someone finished before you. What?
Hide.
You die, ha ha ha, hide? I know, it's like me on the first one. Except for you hate the second one.
I think I ate too much breakfast today.
Maybe.
What was great? That was so bad. I almost just died.
The thing is, I'm not wearing headphones, so you guys probably could hear all that music. So I feel bad for you. Look at my knees just like coming up. We only have 5 more minutes before the video ends, so I'm gonna stop being loud.
Why?
Cause it's annoying. And it could hurt.
I'm mad.
It could hurt. It could hurt headphone users.
I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die.
I'm totally not gonna go in the
No,
portal.
I'm not gonna die.
I'm totally not gonna go in the portal without you.
Woo!
Yes, finally. Come on, let's go. Oh, yay, this is my favorite one.
No, come back.
Why?
Because.
Cause
You
why?
can get a trail giver.
I can? But you said it doesn't work like that. I only wanted it if it was gonna help
How many
me.
Robux do you have?
Like 304.
Oh my god, you can buy 249 Robux. You can buy a cloud to fly around everywhere. You can just skip the whole level.
Can't I do that with the trail givers though?
Yes.
So why don't I just get a trail giver?
Well, you can't really do it with a trail giver. They just give you a trail, like when you walk, it just gives you a power.
And I'm not getting the cloud, but I'll get a trail giver if it does something good.
I just killed myself. We cannot enter any other levels without each other.
Okay, I won't.
I died! Poopsie, poopsie. Poopsie. I like this music.
Level 3 isn't on here. There it is. There we go. Finally. Okay, we only have 3 more minutes for this video, guys. So, please push the like button down below. Hit our notification bell because we would really appreciate it. And hit the subscribe button to see more dancing. No. To see more Okay, let's go. To see more Roblox and Minecraft videos. Because that's what we do. And here, what else should we do on our channel except for just Roblox and Minecraft?
Vlogs.
Yeah, we could do... Flippin' A. We can do a vlog tomorrow. I hate you! And what else? We could also do, like... What
I need help. Really bad. I dare you to die right now and meet me at the beginning.
I just died, so...
Yay! You suck!
Thanks. We also, I play Sims 4, so that'll be one that we can all play. We can play.
I can't play that.
What?
I can't play Sims 4.
We can play it today if Tony ever flippin' answers. So yeah, we'll probably be doing a lot of Roblox though because that's mostly what we play together. Can you stop yelling? Hey, Lisa.
Booga, booga, booga.
Oh gosh. I'm near the end, but I think I'm gonna die on that very skinny like platform that you have to jump on. Oh, I made it! Alright, I died right after I tried to jump off it. Okay, guys, so we only have 1 more minute, so please hit that subscribe button, please hit the like button, and I guess that's gonna be the end of this video, so we'll see you guys next time.
I win! Wow!
Bye!